This is Mount Aloa, the biggest volcano on Earth, located in Hawaii. It's so massive that its area is larger than many Hawaiian islands, but it doesn't compare to Mount Olympus on Mars, the largest volcano in our solar system. Mount Olympus towers at about 22 kilometers high and stretches 700 kilometers wide. Volcanoes like these create atmospheric pressure by releasing gases from the ground. Researchers believe Mount Olympus was once active, just like our volcanoes today. For more amazing facts, subscribe to Fun Facts.